God, look at this bloke. God, you are a cool dude. I've come down to Sea Eagle Lagoon, not because I support the Manly Sea Eagles, but I was up here about a week ago and I just remembered what a beautiful spot it is. And today being such a glorious day, I thought I'd come up and fly the drone. And Sea Eagle Lagoon is open to the public. Let's go and see where we can park this bike and fly the drone. That's over there. Can I get through? Can I get through? I can get through. Right, gloves off. Right, here we have the drone. Don't drop these in the grass, might never find them. I was up here the other day. I actually did have the drone with me, but it was too windy. It was overcast, it was just not a pleasant day. But basically too windy. And get a battery. I should have got the battery out first, shouldn't I? Alright, so I rotate the batteries so I don't use the same one all the time. I always put that in upside down. Yep, she's on. Yep, she's live. Don't know if it'll be able to take off with all the grass there, we'll see. Motor stuck, yeah, I thought so. Okay, let's take it. Try it again. Here we go. Okay, turn around, have a look at me. Here we go. Howdy. Okay. Okay, well that was easy. Hopefully I got some good footage. Time will tell when I get home. But I sort of got a mild panic there thinking, shit, this bloody thing's going to run out of power and crash into Sea Eagle Lagoon. And that will be the end of my drone. Since I've only had it about 4 or 5 months, or what's that, 3, 4, 5 months, that would be disaster. Quite like my drone, now that I'm getting used to it. Alright, well, that was Sea Eagle Lagoon. Alright, let's go for a ride through Sea Eagle Lagoon. I like riding through Sea Eagle Lagoon. So pretty here. I can imagine the houses will be worth a few dollars. Let's just turn the camera around and film some of the houses. Just looking at my ugly melon. Stop here in the shade while we do it because it's starting to warm up. It says the temperature's 25 degrees. Turn it around a bit. There we go. See what we can get out of that. Tilt the camera forward a little bit. I'm not even sure if I did, but anyway, never mind. Yeah, very pretty, very, very attractive suburb right on the Coomera River. And we'll turn left here, off the road, lady, don't want to squash you. Look at that. How pretty is that? Wow. You see why the houses along here are worth so much money. This is where I did a filming the other day, just here, of the geese, a gaggle of geese. There probably was a dozen of them, or maybe more, 20 or so. Man out doing his Sunday morning chores, cutting the grass. His mower looked like it was new. And I think he had thongs on. Flip-flops for anybody from overseas watching it. In Australia we call flip-flops thongs. Quite confusing. Thongs are a different meaning in other countries. You're wearing a thong. Alright, well, that was a nice little ride through Sea Eagle Lagoon and a nice little dronage of Sea Eagle Lagoon. I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you did, as Itchy Boots would say, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video, as she says. The big difference is she's the blue-eyed blonde who's gorgeous, and I'm a bald-headed old man. Anyway, it's all good fun. Alright, catch you later. Bye for now.